welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be doing my BoxyCharm unboxing for January of 2022, the first box of this year. We'll get right in this. This is the base box. I did not get the Boxy Premium just because it's too expensive and I can't afford it. So this is what I stick with. And I already opened up the tape, but I haven't really looked in it. This is the theme this month, and it is BoxyCharm Refresh. I'm sorry, I did getting over COVID, and I have a really bad cough, so I have a cough drop in my mouth to help me from coughing during this video. But that is what it looks like. Super pretty. Okay, so the first thing that's inside this box is this thing right here. This is long. It is by Dragon Beauty. The box looks a little damaged, but it says it's a lip job liner, lip pencil sharpener. Let me see. And the color 2.0 cc. I don't know. That's what it looks like. This is long. So does it only come with one? Looks like there's something else in there. Okay, so it has a lip sharpener, like a pencil sharpener, and this is the lip liner, and this is the color. It looks like it's really pretty. I probably shouldn't have done that because I'm not wearing anything else. Let me get some lip gloss. So it looks really pretty. It's like a really light brown color. Let me get some lip gloss to put over this. So yeah, that doesn't look bad. I'm just looking a little washed out just because I'm not feeling it today. And I'm trying out a new foundation which has no coverage whatsoever. So I'm not used to looking this bland. Like you can see redness and stuff coming through. So I'm coughing so much. So this is the first thing, and it retails for, it's Dragon Beauty lip job liner and sharpener. It retails for $18, so that's not bad. And this is a really long lip liner. Like, that's huge. Most lip liners are about that big. So this is super big. So I'm excited. I think that it's a pretty color. I think that it'll look really pretty when I have my foundation a little more full coverage. I think it'll look really pretty. So the next thing that's in the box, let's go for it, is this right here. It is by LYS Beauty. LYS Beauty No Limits Matte Bronzer. And this retails for $18 as well. If I could figure out how to open it. The packaging is really cute on it. So it says it's a bronzer. And I don't see, okay, so the shade is Harmony. So that's really pretty. I love the rose gold. So that's what it looks like, and it has a mirror. I'm gonna try to swatch it. So it seems really nice. I think it'll look really pretty, especially with this lip liner. Create a look with that. So yeah, for $18, it's really affordable. It's really reflective, so it's like hard to show on my camera, but it's really, really pretty. I love the rose gold. It actually matches my wedding ring. Okay, so the next thing in the box is this thing right here. This is by Pharmacy. It's Feel Good Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum. And this retails for $44. I feel like I've gotten this before. So this is what it looks like. Let me see real quick. I want to see if I've gotten this before because I have something on my bathroom counter that looks like this. Okay, so it's not the same one. This is the one they sent me. It's called Feeling Good. And the one that I had received in another BoxyCharm was the Honeymoon Glow. And as you can see, I've used almost all of it. So I like it. So I'm really excited to try this out. And that retails, like I said, for $44. So it's supposed to hydrate and smooth fine lines, which I'm 35, so girl, I need that. Okay, so that was the next thing. Got two more things. I see this thing right here. And this is lip quip lip oil. So this is a lip oil. It is by the brand Item Beauty. And it retails for $14. So it has jojoba oil and almond oil, and it is tinted. So looks really pretty. This is in Come Through. Oh. It feels really good. I'm definitely going to be using this. I love like just little lip glosses. I love little lip glosses that I can just throw in my purse. You should see my purses, how much lip products I have in them. It's insane. But yes, so $14 is not bad. So if I really do love it, I can repurchase it. And I do have one more thing in the box, and it's the most expensive thing. Make sure. Yep. Is this right here. It is by the brand Dermalec. And it is eyelid and dark circle. So it's a dark circle corrector. And this retails for $59, so $60. And it's this right here. I don't know why the packaging was so big for this. So let me go ahead. So it's like one of the dome foot, so you push a little bit of product out. And it also has like a cooling effect. Just put the product on. Actually used stuff like this before. It feels really smooth, like it'd be really hydrating. So yes, I will definitely be using this. I love skincare, so you can't beat that. This alone retails for way more than the entire box, so not bad at all. I'm super happy with this box. I think it was a pretty good box. The total value of this month's box was $153. And I think I spent like $28. I know they went up recently again, but I'm pretty sure it was like $28. If I'm wrong, please put it in the comments down below how much exactly it is, because I'm not quite sure. But I got the variation. It says C2201005/BA. So that's the variation that I got. But yeah, super happy with this month. Not bad for $28. I will be using everything and actually keeping everything. Sometimes I give stuff away, but I do like everything that I received this month. I was actually wanting to try a new bronzer. I have a lot of bronzers, but I like trying new ones. So excited about that. Probably the most exciting thing is the skincare. I love skincare because without good skin, like your skin's the foundation of everything. And because I'm 35, gonna be 36 this year, I definitely want to start taking really good care of my skin. I've been taking care of my skin since I was like in my 30s, like 30. So off to a good start. But yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye. God bless.